Welcome back! Today we're talking about something you hardly see once the engine is together, but absolutely cannot afford to get wrong. Head gaskets on Cannonball's McLaren Engines 101. To head gaskets, we knew a factory gasket wasn't going to cut it for the caliber of engines we built. We needed something better, so we partnered with Cometic to design a Cannonball Special Operations exclusive. These are our CSO MLX head gaskets. MLX stands for Multi-Layer-Xtreme, which incorporates multiple coated and embossed layers of proprietary high-temperature stainless steel and a folded stopper layer, the extreme part. That stopper is the key. It dramatically improves combustion sealing and allows us to safely push these engines well above factory output. The embossments and coating work together to create a true microseal between the head and the block. This keeps combustion pressure where it belongs and fluids exactly where they should be, even under extreme heat and cylinder pressure. This design seals the gasket with less clamp load. The benefit here is that we don't have to excessively torque the head studs, which means less bore distortion and more consistent load distribution across the sealing surface, which is especially important in an all-aluminum engine. Another major advantage is the thickness options. Anytime you rebuild an engine properly, you're decking the heads. This alters compression ratio and piston-to-valve clearance. With our custom CSO head gaskets, we can compensate for that and bring everything back into perfect alignment, which isn't possible using an OE gasket. We designed these gaskets to work seamlessly with our CSO sleeves and deck coolant passage upgrade, which helps maintain proper cooling and long-term reliability. These head gaskets are only available in our CSO engine builds because they're engineered as part of an entire system, not as a standalone upgrade. When you're building a McLaren engine the right way, sealing matters. This is one of the reasons CSO engines perform at the highest levels where only others dream of. If you want to learn more about CSO engine builds or see what goes into doing it right, reach out to us here at Cannonball Garage. Thanks for watching.